Today I am mending some Meta socks that I've had since 2016. Sometimes I think we get too wrapped up in the consumerism aspect of Lolita. After all, it is a living fashion, always evolving with new trends and weekly releases. Lolita costs money, and right now my job is being a mom. Lots of people would consider mending brand socks a lifestyle or thing, but it's an important life skill I think everybody should learn. Not only is learning simple sewing skills such as mending important for saving money, but it's also better for the environment. Make sure that before you begin, that you turn your sock inside out before you begin the stitching process. Once you turn it right side out again, it's hardly noticeable. After mending, both pairs are good as new, aside from maybe some light discoloration, which can easily be solved by bleach. They're just as good as when I first got them. Thanks for watching!